Hey, what's up, bro?
I'll go ahead and give you this, though.
Cool.
The Xbox runs good. It just needs a good cleaning. I haven't had any issues with besides just overheating, so I'm guessing it's just cleaning.
I'll clean that up. Which stick is it? I mean, I'll find out,
Right,
but...
it's the left
The left.
stick. Perfect. Let me know if you need anything.
Of course, brother. Thank you. Let's try the circulatory test. Get out! So, that's bad. So let's get started. You want to take these sticks off? Knock that out. There's no... Old solder. And...
That's the best time to...
in there.
Wow!
Oh, that's exactly what we want. All right. Okay. 6 and 5%.
Wow.
Anytime.
I had been looking for somebody to take to. Every place I looked up was like in somebody's like garage, and it was like super sketchy.
Cow going,
this is
so.
more like for real deal professional. But yeah, dude, I really appreciate you.
Yeah.
And if you guys need personalized tech assistance in the Central Florida area, you can go ahead and reserve your appointment today for just $75 of my time for the first hour.